Hello everyone, warm welcome back to my garden. I'm super excited to share with you today's video because I am gonna be sharing with you how I assembled this greenhouse all by myself, well, with the help of my daughter. And I'm also gonna try to convince you why I think you should invest in a greenhouse, especially if you are into starting your own seeds from scratch like me. I had this greenhouse last year. It served me so well until the hurricane ripped it apart. But it was my fault because I could have easily disassembled the greenhouse and saved it inside. I did not do that, and the hurricane was quite strong. So it's seed starting season again. I decided to just go on Amazon and click repurchase. I bought the exact same greenhouse and I set it up in the exact same space that I set it up last year because it worked. So if you would like to hear why I think you should invest in a greenhouse and see how I put this together, the step-by-step setup of this greenhouse, then stay tuned. Now let's get started. Tribe, this is the greenhouse. It's the Eagle Peak 8 by 6 feet foldable greenhouse. I had this exact same greenhouse last season and it served me very well. So I decided to go with the same thing to replace what I had because the hurricane destroyed that last one. Got it from Amazon. It got to me within 2 days. As you can see, the box is very compact and that's already a good sign. Everything we need to set up that greenhouse is in this little box here. It says heavy, but I could probably lift it up by myself, so it's not that difficult. Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside. These are the things that came out of the box, the Eagle Peak greenhouse box. There were actually just 3 items. This black bag, which contains the pegs, the metal pins, pegs, I don't know how you call them, and the rope. And then the greenhouse cover, this one, and the frame, this metal frame, which is already pre-assembled, which is why I absolutely love this greenhouse. I don't have a bunch of rods, a bunch of parts that I need to put together. It's already pre-assembled, so I just need to pop this up like an umbrella. So let's go to the next step, which is assembly. The first step in the assembly is to lift and partially pull the frame apart, this frame right here. Next, we are going to unfold this polyethylene top and unzip the doors and then place on top of the frame. Okay, let's move on to the next step. The next step is going to be to secure this polyethylene cover to the top using Velcro connection. So it has all of these connections, the Velcro here. I'm gonna secure this top by tying around the Velcro right here. That's the next step. For the next step, I'm gonna crawl inside of here, unlock the frame, It's a little bit of a, it's a little bit difficult, so keep pushing it. Wow, that's the click I was looking for. Ooh, Jesus. So now I just need to adjust the greenhouse and then adjust the height as well. And that's our finished product. The greenhouse is all set up and secured, ready to take my plants, my seedlings. Yeah. Why do I think you should invest in a greenhouse? Well, if you like to start your own seeds from scratch because you like to grow things that you can't easily find at the stores, or you just like to, start your own seeds from scratch to save money, then I think you should invest in one of these, a greenhouse. The reason being that we start these seeds indoors, and next thing you know, there are plants everywhere. Because if you're like me, you swear to yourself that you're just going to start a small number of seeds. And by the time you start to up pot, next thing you know, there are plants all over the place. So with a greenhouse such as this one, you have a nice place to put all of your seedlings. And the second reason is you don't have to invest in a bunch of grow lights because you're trying to simulate the natural sun indoors. If you can buy yourself a greenhouse such as this one, then your plants can easily get access to sunlight. So it's good for transitioning your seedlings from indoors to outdoors. That bit about helping your seedlings have exposure to sunlight without needing grow lights, trying to remember when to turn them off and on and all of that, you know the hassle. None of that when you have a greenhouse such as this one. It's temperature controlled. I can zip everything down and it's gonna be nice and warm. If there's cold weather, I can open it up to let in air if it's getting too hot. And in my opinion, this one was not very expensive. Now, this particular greenhouse is the Eagle Peak greenhouse, foldable, so the assembly is quite easy. You don't have to deal with a bunch of parts. You just pop it up like an umbrella and put the cloth over it. I hope this video added some value to you, and if it did, do not forget to give the video a thumbs up. Kindly share the video if you know somebody who might be interested, and if you have not joined the tribe, the YAJE'S Garden tribe, kindly subscribe. Thank you so much, and I will catch you next time. But don't forget, grow a garden so you can grow health. Bye.